Namaste, and once again welcome back to another session of online mathematics class. Last class we have discussed exercise 2.5 of NCERT class 9 mathematics text. And today we move on to the remaining problems of exercise 2.5. Let me start with question number 8. Here the question is factorize each of the following. We have to factorize each of the following questions. So these all expressions are of the form x plus y the whole cube and x minus y the whole cube. And we know x plus y the whole cube is what? X plus y the whole cube is equal to x cube plus 3x square y plus 3x y square plus y cube. And x minus y the whole cube is x cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube. Okay. Here the expanded form is given. We have to convert it into x plus y the whole cube or x minus y the whole cube. So the first one is 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. First of all, we have to identify the values of x and y. Okay, the cube terms. Here the cube terms are 8a cube and b cube. So 8a cube can be written as 2a the whole cube. Then plus b cube. Okay. So x cube, y cube. So here the x value is 2a and the y value is b. Okay. In the place of x, it is 2a and in the place of y it is b. So we can easily convert it into which form? X plus y the whole cube, because all the terms are positive. So the identity will be x plus y the whole cube. The next two terms we can write as it is 12a square b plus 6ab square. We can also check the terms 12a square b, that means 3x square y. So 3 into x is 2a, so 2a the whole square, that is 4a square into y, y is b. So 3 4s are 12, 12a square b, right. Then 6ab square, that is 3xy square, 3x, x is 2a and y square, b square. 3 into 2, 6, 6ab square. Okay, so we can write it as 2a plus b the whole cube, that is x plus y the whole cube. Okay, so 2a plus b into 2a plus b into 2a plus b. 2a plus b the whole cube can be written as 2a plus b 3 times. 2a plus b into 2a plus b into 2a plus b. Clear? Now consider the third one. 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a then plus 225a square. Here some negative terms are there, so it may be of the form x minus y the whole cube. Okay, in x plus y the whole cube, all the terms are positive. Okay, so 27 is the cube of 3, so 3 cube. Then 125a cube, that can be written as 5a the whole cube. 5 cube is 125. Okay, so 5a the whole cube. Then we can write the next two terms, 135a then plus 225a square. So this is of the form x minus y the whole cube. So 3 minus 5a the whole cube. And we can write it as the product of linear factors as 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a. Okay. Now consider the fifth one. 27p cube, that is 3p the whole cube. 216, it is 6 cube. 1 by 216. So 1 by 6 the whole cube. That is x cube minus y cube. X cube minus y cube. So it is of the form x minus y the whole cube. Next terms are 9 by 2 p square, then plus 1 by 4 p, which is equal to 3p minus 1 by 6 the whole cube. Or we can write 3p minus 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6. Clear? The second and fourth question is left for you. Do it yourself. Okay, do it as a homework. Here the next question is verify first one x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square, and the second one x cube minus y cube equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. We can discuss one by one. First one x cube plus y cube, which is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Okay, let us take the RHS part, right hand side, x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Now we can multiply x into x square, that is x cube, x into minus xy minus x square y, then x into y square, that is xy square. Okay, then y into x square y, y into minus xy minus xy square, y into y square y cube plus y cube. Okay, here we can cancel minus x square y plus x square y, x y square minus x y square, and the remaining terms are x cube, then last one y cube, x cube plus y cube, which is equal to LHS. Okay, so x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Similarly, we can do the second one. Here also we can take the RHS part, x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. We can multiply x into x square, x cube, x into xy, x square y, x into y square, xy square, minus y into x square, minus x square y, minus y into xy, minus xy square, minus y into plus y square, minus y cube. Here also we can cancel x square y minus x square y, xy square minus xy square. So the remaining is x cube minus y cube, which is equal to LHS. Okay. So these are also listed in the set of algebraic identities. So you have to by heart these two formulas too. Okay. X cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square, and x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Clear? Now we move on to question number 10. Factorize each of the following. 27 y cube plus 125 z cube and 64 m cube minus 343 n cube. So the first one is 27 y cube plus 125 z cube. So this can be written as 27, that is 3 cube, 3y the whole cube. 125 is 5 cube, so 5 z the whole cube. Now it is of the form x cube plus y cube. Okay, what is x cube plus y cube? X cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Okay, so we can apply this result. Here in the place of x it is 3y, and instead of y it is 5z. Okay, in the place of x the value is 3y, and in the place of y it is 5z. So x plus y, that is 3y plus 5z into, then x square, here it is 3y, so 3y the whole square, minus xy. So minus x into y, 3y into 5z. Then plus y square. So plus y is 5z, so 5z the whole square. Okay. That is 3y plus 5z into, here we can square it, 9y square, then minus 15yz plus 5z the whole square, that is 25z square. Okay, that is 3y plus 5z into 9y square minus 15yz plus 25z square. Clear? Now the second one is 64m cube minus 343n cube. So this can be written as 4m the whole cube. 4 cube is 64, so 4m the whole cube minus 7n the whole cube, because 7 cube is what? 343. Now it is of the form x cube minus y cube. X cube minus y cube, which is equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Okay, and instead of x, the term is 4m, and in the place of y, the term is 7n. Okay, so this can be written as 4m minus 7n, that is x minus y. Then into x square, 4m the whole square, then plus xy, 4m into 7n, then plus y square, 7n the whole square. Okay, which is equal to 4m minus 7n into 4m the whole square. 4 square is 16, 16m square, then plus 4m into 7n, 28mn. Then plus 7n the whole square, 49n square. So the final answer is 4m minus 7n into 16m square plus 28mn plus 49n square. Understood? Now we move on to question number 15. Give possible expressions for the length and breadth of each of the following rectangles in which their areas are given. Two sub-questions are given. Area is given by this expression 25a square minus 35a plus 12, and for the second one, area is 35y square plus 13y minus 12. As we know, area is a length into breadth, and here the expression is a quadratic polynomial, so we have to convert it into or split into two linear factors. Okay, so let's take the first one. Here it is 25a square minus 35a plus 12. This can be factorized using the method of splitting the middle term. Okay, so here the sum of the two numbers is the coefficient of a, it is minus 35, and the product is 25 into 12. Okay, 25 into 12, and it is 300. So here we have to find a pair of numbers satisfying these two conditions simultaneously. Okay, at the same time, the sum of the number gives minus 35 and the product gives 300. What are the numbers? We can take the numbers as 20 and 15 and put minus sign, minus 20 and minus 15. Let us check it is correct or not. Minus 20 plus minus 15, it's minus 35. Okay, and minus 20 into minus 15, minus into minus plus 20 into 15 is what? 300. Okay, so we can split the middle term 25a square, then here the middle term is minus 35a, so we can write minus 20a, then minus 15a plus 12. Minus 20a plus minus 15a, it is minus 35a. Okay, now we can take on 5 5a common. So 5a into 5a minus 4, then minus of, here we can take on 3 common, 3 into 5a minus we take common, so plus becomes minus then 4. Okay, we can multiply and verify. 5a into 5a 25a square, 5a into minus 4 minus 20a, minus 3 into 5a minus 15a, minus 3 into minus 4 plus 2. Okay, now 5a minus 4 is common, so 5a minus 4 into 5a minus 3. Okay, so we can write the length and breadth from this product. Okay, so one possible value is length, we can take it as 5a minus 3, and breadth is equal to 5a minus 4. Okay, the second one is a similar one, so you can do it yourself. 35y square minus 13y minus 12. It's a homework, do it yourself. Now we move on to the last question in this exercise. What are the possible expressions for the dimensions of the cuboids whose volumes are given below? First one is volume is 3x square minus 12x. As we know, volume of a cuboid is length into breadth into height, LBH. So we have to factorize this into 3 factors. Okay, 3 terms. So first one, 3x square minus 12x. It's an easy one. Here 3x is common, so 3x into x minus 4. Okay, so it's over. We can write, therefore one possible value is, so one possible answer is 3 comma x and x minus 4. Okay, 3x x minus 4, length, breadth, height. Okay, so this is one possible answer. Then the second one, volume is 12k y square plus 8k y minus 20k, which is equal to, here we can take on 4k common, so 4k into 3y square then plus 2y then minus 5. Okay, so 4k into, here we can split the middle term, so the sum is 2, the coefficient of y 2, and the product is 3 into minus 5 minus 50. What are the numbers? The numbers are 5 and 3. Okay, 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2, and 5 into minus 3 is what? Minus 15. So that we can split the middle terms. 3y square plus 5y minus 3y minus 5. That is 4k into, here we can take one y common in the first two terms. So y into 3y plus 5. Then in the next two terms, one minus 1 is common. So minus 1 into 3y plus 5. Okay. If we take minus common, the sign changes. Minus becomes plus. Now 4k into, here 3y plus 5 is common. So 3y plus 5 into what? Y minus 1. So as in the first case, here also we can write one possible answer is what? 4k comma 3y plus 5 comma y minus 1. Clear? So this finishes exercise 2.5 as well as the chapter polynomials. Thanks for watching. Thank you.